Yo, Scheme, turn us up, bruh.
Yeah. That ain't go out on the way though. Bitch. Right. The 717, huh?
The LA Leakers, baby.
Know that I'ma ride for my motherfucking niggas. Lord, know I'm down to die for my motherfucking niggas. I'ma draw the line just so niggas get the picture. And if niggas out of line, then them pussies down with you. First things first, I'm an Inglewood native. Seem like it sound better every time a nigga say it. Me, I handle business, question ask, what do you do? I be on my money over bitches, word to Suwoo. Introduce your wifey to the gang and run a choo-choo. My ad-libs even cost bands for the whoop-whoop. Your pockets on featherweight, mine's on heavyweight. I got new and old hunters, nigga, I'm forever straight. And you niggas was never great, say that in whoever face. I don't fear nothing except ending up in second place. These niggas be lying to you, I'ma set the record straight. My motion like chess moves, miss me with the checker play. You old Manchester, nigga, my shit with you better play. Fuck a hater, I get paper, get this shit whichever way. I can make it rain, I make Mr. Franklin levitate. That get pussy wet, I mean so wet it make a levy break. So it ain't no questions about it, I'ma make it clear. Behind one of mine, make a nigga disappear. And I ain't repeating shit, so pussy nigga listen here. I think I'm finna rap, let me get my shit in gear. What? Pull up in the set, look, got it on deck. You playing with me, you get wet. Nigga, we know who the best. If you think that you better stop placing your bet. I got that flow on the string like a yo-yo. I'm straight with that 4-4, don't fuck with no purple. I pull up like 4 O's, my homies smoke dodo. I'm out here in London, we chill like a song. My nigga, I'm crazy, you play with the peso, though we gon' go local. I just bought an ultra, my homies bang roll. I'm sipping that so-so, I'm deaf to the bullshit. This right here, that's so-so. Kick it like Dojo, my youngin'. Coach on my youngin'. Flow on me nasty like pornos, my youngin'. Delivery sick and that shit be so good that you know that she can't be the joint on my youngin' for real. I don't feel these niggas, I hit your bitch throat, you gay if you still kissing it. If I die tonight, I'm gon' die a trail, nigga. Just reserve me a spot next to dollar bill, nigga, that's for real. Yeah, I do that for real. Yeah, and every beat I touch get I say that's for real. That Inglewood on the way, bitch. YG, what up, nigga? Muscle, what's happening? Rich homie, nigga, I need 2 hooks. What's happening?
Yeah, what's poppin'? Kendrick Lamar up in here with my family, LA Leakers. Where the fuck did y'all get this record from, homie? You know, I'm from Compton, you know, I keep my ear to the streets, but I ain't never heard no shit like this. Send this motherfucker to me or play it back, goddammit.